What's up, guys? It's Tanner here, back with another video, and today, let's be honest now, we've all wondered if the light actually shuts off when you shut the fridge door. And today we are going to be figuring out just that. Okay, so right after I get through my intro, we are going to go into the kitchen. I'm going to put my tablet into the fridge, which is what I'm recording my video on. So smash that like button, subscribe. Let's get, our channel isn't that popular yet, so let's go for 50 likes on this video. Can we get 50 likes? Yes? No? Probably not. Okay, so let's go put it in the fridge.